Welcome to Work Global News. Today's highlight focuses on top skills to learn before making a career pivot. Changing career paths can be exciting, but success depends on preparation, strategy, and skill alignment. The article outlines 10 essential skills to master before taking that leap, each designed to help professionals pivot confidently and position themselves as valuable candidates in a new field. Among the top priorities are job market research and transferable skills mapping, helping career changers understand what employers want and how to align their experience accordingly. The article also stresses personal branding and storytelling, crafting a clear narrative that connects your past to your future direction. From resume tailoring and LinkedIn optimization to networking, interview preparation, and negotiation, each skill plays a crucial role in building credibility and visibility. Technical fluency and data literacy are also key differentiators in today's market, ensuring professionals can adapt to new tools and trends. The core message: a successful pivot isn't about starting over. It's about reframing your experience and proving your value. This has been your Work Global News Update. Stay tuned for more strategies and insights to help you thrive in your career journey.